Hi, I'm Ging.
I'm Kat.
And I'm Pal.
And you're listening to the 1% Marites here in Sydney. Your number one source of chismis, word spreading.
Kamusta ang New Year?
Ayaw nga, dumaan na yung New Year.
Nasa New Year na tayo.
New Year is here.
New Year is near. Anyeho.
New Year is here.
My goodness.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Nafe-feel nyo na ba? Na may something in the air?
Coronavirus.
The heat is in the air.
Ang daming may sakit recently. Ang daming kumakalat na
Oo
virus.
nga pala, ikaw,
right
kamusta ka pa?
Okay lang ako.
now. Hindi, kamusta yung
Masaya.
COVID? Kamusta yung COVID?
Ito naman mga to.
Diba? Meron tayong topic ngayon na gusto natin kasama yung mga audience natin sa journey natin na to.
At ito yung topic na matagal na nating hot topic.
Oo. Oo nga,
Diba?
nasa episode natin to eh.
Oh, tsaka ito yung topic na matagal na nilang gustong i-topic. From day one.
Yes.
So, ano yung topic?
Topic is health and fitness.
Health and fitness. And may program.
Health and fitness program. Ganyan. Okay. Hindi. Kasi itong topic natin today is yung pinakahihintay na natin na mangyari sa buhay natin.
Oo.
Kasi nung 2024, tayo ay nadapa.
Nadapa ng nadapa.
Tapos gumulong-gulong pa.
Tumambay ka pa. Kumain ka pa.
Oo.
Diba? Stress eating tayo 2024, no?
Uy, ikaw lang.
Ay, wala ka. Hindi ako nag-stress eating ah.
Hoy, hindi kayo
Excuse me.
foodie?
Ay, foodie ako.
Oh.
Foodie din.
Oh.
Pero syempre, may kasama pa
O
rin.
sige, hindi kayo na-stress?
Wait.
2024?
Na-stress sobra.
Na-stress kasi may gusto tayo ma-achieve. And hindi natin na-achieve last year.
Ano ba yung gusto mong ma-achieve? Oh, ito na.
Eto. Okay, so last year, syempre, we're into health and fitness din naman eh. But, the problem is, never namin, or ako, sa case ko, is never ko na-achieve yung body na gusto ko dito sa, fitness journey ko. Gusto ko magkaroon ng magandang, especially yung abs, di ba? But never ko siyang na-achieve. So, this year, ito yung gusto kong ma-achieve.
Ba't magmamodel ka ba?
Well, pwede.
Calvin Klein underwear. diba? Ikaw naman, Miss Kat.
Nadamay
Kamusta
lang
ka?
ako eh. Lagi naman kayong ganyan.
Hindi, kamusta ka sa fitness journey mo?
Masaya ako. Okay ako sa fitness journey ko. Kaso ang gugulo nyo. Dinadamay nyo ako sa mga programs na gusto nyong itry. Pero,
But wala naman nagpilit sa'yo eh. It's your
I know.
choice.
I think it's time for a change. Kasi, na-achieve ko naman yung body na gusto ko. And there's always a next level. Kasi, if I rewind what happened to me in 2024, for the first time in my life, naging open ako to work with a coach. So, my coach is Kevin. So, Coach Kevin. And this was through Los Santos Workout. So, 1 year kami nag-training, consistent. May mga weeks na medyo nagkakaroon ng gaps kasi yung schedule ko nagbibisi. Pero talagang tinry ko na matapos yung year of 2024 ng, consistent lang na nagtitraining. Pero hindi ko pa rin syempre na-hit yung pinaka-target weight ko. And once in a while, ang sarap talagang kumain. So, this year, sabi ko, sige, let's level it up.
Yes.
Because we don't stop when, we really don't stop, or yung expression na we don't rest on our laurels. So, yes, you got the results. And if we just stayed here, you can slip back. So, ayoko rin namang masayang yung pinaghirapan ko in 2024. And at the same time, I want to continue learning. And I'm so grateful for my coach. Sobrang the best yan, si Coach Kev and si Coach Bjorn from Los Santos Workout. Hindi ko talaga makukuha yung level of self-confidence na meron ako now. If it weren't for these two people that they really played such an important role for me to really be healthy and to lose weight in a safe way. Kasi maraming ways to lose weight, but it's not always the safe way. Or
Ano
the smart
ba yung
way.
not always the safe way?
The unsafe way.
Sige na nga. Pero anyway, nakarelate lang ako
tanong
dun.
eh.
Nakarelate lang ako dun sa kumakain. Sa foodie.
Ay, ikaw, no, yung journey mo.
Kamusta ka? Anong
Ayun,
journey?
naging foodie ako buong 2024. Wala. At lagi naman akong ang problema kasi sa akin, na-reach ko na yung weight goal ko before. That was pandemic era yun. Talaga, sobrang drastic yung pagbagsak ng weight ko. From 86 ako noon, naging 59, 57, ganun.
Wow.
The problem is, laging yo-yo. So, nung sa Philippines ako noon, nag-lose ako ng weight kasi nag-try ako ng keto diet. Pero nung lumipat na ako dito sa Australia, nawala lahat yun. Nawala yung sports ko, diba? I still push myself na, yan nga, mag-workout pa din. And I did nga yung training with Los Santos. The thing is, sobra ako naging busy sa work ko, yung schedule ko. So, natigil ko din siya. And bukod doon, may mga injuries, ganyan. And so yun, tumigil ako mag-workout and then na-enjoy kong kumain. kumain, then ma-stress. Yan. Pero syempre yung stress, hindi natin na-enjoy yan. Na-enjoy lang natin siya with the food. Kumbaga, yun ang naging kapalit. Diba?
Yeah.
Kaya, within the span of simula August, September, October, November, December, 4 months, 13 kilograms ang na-earn natin.
Kabilis.
13.
Yes. So from 60 tayo, naging 73 na ako ngayon.
So, madami kang kailangan i-lose this time.
Di ba nag-earn din naman ako eh. Wait nga lang, grabe.
Oo. So, before tayo pumunta sa topic natin today, so, speaking of, BJ, birthday niya ngayon, so, we should greet him na
Coach, happy birthday!
Yes.
Coach BJ ng Los Santos
yes.
Workout. Happy birthday.
Founder ng Los Santos Workout.
Founder, CEO.
CEO. Okay. Happy birthday, Coach!
Attend kami sa party mo bukas. Don't worry kasi yung health and fitness journey namin doesn't officially start until Monday. Until Monday. So, attend kami sa party tomorrow. So, we'll see you there.
Yes. So, ayun nga yung yung pinag-uusapan natin. Ano bang program to na, yun, sobrang excited tayo na ma-achieve yung gusto nating ma-achieve this time.
Balita ko, 100 days daw to na fitness, transformation eh.
100 days?
Ay, sorry. Kaya ba yun? 100 days magta-transform ka?
Yun nga eh. Kaya nga parang, oh my God, yung nafe-feel ko, emotional roller coaster na agad. It's like parang, iniisip ko 100 days, parang ang dami mong overthinking na kasi wala ka pa sa program.
Di pa nga ako nag-i-start. Gusto ko nang mag-quit eh. Kasi bayad na. Wala atang refund dito.
Investment.
Na-pressure ako eh. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Sige na. Yeah.
So, yan.
So, it's 100 days and it's a big community in the Philippines. Yun yung narinig ko, tsaka sa mga na-observe ko on social media. Ang hype. Pero hype na hype. Yung community na parang ako, it's like, too good to be true? Or talagang totoo ba yung mga testimonials ng mga nakukuha ng tao sa results nila? Kasi yung mga photos na ng mga before and after,
Oo,
mapapawaw ka talaga eh. I think that's what attracted me to doing the program.
Yeah.
Other than the peer pressure.
Same with me. Pero mas more on dun ako sa excitement eh. Parang anong magagawa nito para sa akin? Kasi ako kilala ko na yung sarili ko eh. Na yung tawag to yung drive mo to work on yourself. Nandun siya eh for like a span of like how many months lang eh. Tapos biglang mawawala yun eh. I wonder kung ano yung maituturo nito sa atin para maging consistent tayo for life. Like yun yung magiging lifestyle natin. Kasi parang yun yung binibenta nila eh. Not really binibenta pero yung ino-offer nila sa atin pala. Sorry. Ayun.
Oh, ito pa balita ko. Mahal daw. For a 100-day program. Okay, that's like roughly 3 months.
Tapos pa tayo?
Totoo
Tatlo?
ba ang balita? Mahal ba talaga? Magkano ba yung program na yan?
Oo nga. Actually, mahal siya. Pero, eto ata yung pinakamahal na pinurchase ko so far for self-development or
For the year 2025.
Oo. Just to excel in life or gusto mo kasing mag-upgrade eh. So, it's kind of for me, parang, yes, it's expensive, pero I think ito yung I'm willing to pay. Because I wanna actually, see paano nag-work tong 100 days transformation. Kasi ang dami kong, sabi mo, ang dami mong nakikitang pictures dun sa group na yung transformation nila for 100 days. Parang, wow, okay, let me sign up for that program. Alam mo yun, na i-intrigue ka talaga Na,
Yan
wow.
din actually naisip ko. Kasi parang ako, I'm spending my money sa mga luho.
Oo.
Like, yung damit, shoes, whatever. Tapos, naiisip ko na magsispend ako ng money sa damit. Tapos, biglang lalaki na naman ako. So, I have to buy another size. A bigger size na naman. Pag lumaki ako. Parang, maisip mo, why not spend money on your self-development, 'di ba? Hindi lang naman yung self-development is mental eh, pati physical, 'di ba? So, I guess okay na yung ganun eh na mag-spend ka talaga ng money for yourself na alam mong yung investment na yun is mare-return sa'yo at the end of the day, 'di ba?
Tsaka
Ang
'di ba,
galing.
sabi nga nila, anong mas mahal? Yung gumastos ka para maging healthy ka, so you're investing in health programs, you're eating good food, or mas mahal ba magkasakit? Magkano ang bill sa hospital kapag nagkasakit ka, na-admit ka for a few days, you have to go through surgery, or unexpectedly may nagkaroon ka ng inatake ka sa puso, or nagka-organ failure ka, 'di ba? Or anything to do with the body na could have been prevented if you only had a healthy diet.
Sabi nga nila, mas masakit ang sakit sa bulsa.
Masakit sa bulsa yun.
Masakit sa bulsa talaga maging healthy. Pero ganun talaga. Kaya nga tayo nabubuhay.
Di bali na sumakit ang katawan, wag lang ang bulsa.
Tsaka by registering to this program, parang nakilala ko din yung sarili ko na I'm willing to spend for alam mo yun, willing to spend talaga to the point na ganun kamahal tapos hindi ka nagdalawang isip na alam mo yun, mag-register. So nakikilala ko yung sarili ko na I'm into na pala talaga. Self-development and fitness talaga is my talagang pinapasok ko.
True.
Diba?
Kasi hindi lang naman ito yung self-development program na pinasok natin, di ba? Yung mga self-development program din tayong trinay before. And kita naman
3
natin.
days lang yun.
Diba? Oo.
And then ito 100 days.
Yeah. So actually, for a lot of people, especially let's say you have a really tight budget and yung money na yon na ipang-i-invest mo sa personal development, minsan naiisip mo pang groceries ko na lang, tuition na lang ng mga kids. And it's actually okay because in a lot of decisions in life, there is a trade-off. Unfortunately, there is a trade-off, 'di ba? Pero naniniwala ako kung gusto mo may paraan, kung ayaw mo may dahilan.
True.
Kasi kapag may this is like might not be the best example, pero 'di ba kapag may family member ka na nagkasakit and you have to find the money straight away para lang maano sa ospital, ma-admit sila para asikasuhin sila, you will do whatever you can in your power. Manghiram ka, mangungutang ka, titingnan mo lahat ng bank accounts mo, kung may savings ka pa. I'm not saying yun lang yung way, pero makikita mo when you have the will to make something happen, you get really creative and hindi mo dine-delay.
You really do something
You
about
really wanna do something about it. You make calls that you won't normally make, 'di ba? And of course, if you borrow money, syempre borrow 'yon. 'Di ba? Syempre, you always have to pay it back. Hindi yung mamaya. 'Di ba? Mamaya na
tapos
next
isang-
year na pa.
isang dekada
Pero
na
kita
yung
mamaya
naglipas.
next year. Oh. So, bilib ako sa mga bilib ako dun sa mga nag-join sa program na to.
Yes.
Even though, ang dami talagang nag-express ng concerns nila na parang ang mahal or wala bang discount or alam mo yun na
Oo.
worth it ba? It's worth it if you do the work. Diba?
Kasi it's like, sort of coaching eh. If you're not coachable, paano ka magkaka-return of investment?
Yun yung return
Diba?
of investment mo, yung maganda yung body mo, you're proud of yourself, you fit into your old clothes, diba?
Ito nga isa sa mga tanong ko eh. Kasi, like katulad ko, hirap na hirap ako maging consistent. So, I need to have, like, yung motivation. Kayo ba? Like, hindi pa naman tayo nagsisimula dun sa seminar eh. Pero kayo ba, ano ba yung sa tingin nyo magiging magpapamotivate sa inyo to stay on track?
Ano yung makakapag-motivate?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, sexy body. Kasi, sexy body in a sense na yung gusto ko strong ako and then I love who I see in the mirror. Kasi pag nag-gym ako, I do spend a lot of time na tinitingnan ko lang talaga yung katawan ko, okay pa ba ako, di ba? And I get this different kind of self-esteem when I like who I see in the mirror. And yeah, siguro number 2 is I want to do it so that I can inspire other people. Nakaya din nila. And number 3, sinabi ko na to before, may sa family namin, diabetic, and a lot of Filipino families are diabetic. A big factor is a lifestyle, diba? It's what we eat as Filipinos, and we don't usually prioritize health and fitness or going to the gym or working out. Hindi siya priority, diba? So ako, I just want to flip the narrative na you can be busy, you can be doing big things and important things in life, and you can also be healthy. Hindi kailangan mag-suffer yung health.
Ako siguro yung community, and yun, you're surrounded by people na
Like-minded.
like-minded. Same kayo ng goal. Diba? Kasi nandun kayong lahat for transformation eh. And then everyone's like posting, alam mo yun, mamomotivate ka sa mga ganun. And then yung mga dating, alam mo yun, bumabalik pa from season 1, season 2. Alam mo yun, ngayon, like...
Anong season na ba tayo?
Season 7 na sila. So, ang dami pa rin bumabalik. And then, alam mo yun, yung naging journey nila, nakaka-motivate, di ba? And then, of course, nakaka-motivate din kasi 3 of us nandun sa program. And then, ayan, meron na naman tayong commitment sa isa't isa na we have to be accountable for each other na yun, may check-in, di ba? Kailangan.
Check
O
out.
check out. Paano kung gusto ko check out?
O, di ba?
Quit na, ayoko na. Check out na.
Kailangan.
Hotel. Out na me.
So,
Mahirap yan, girl.
Well, yeah, nothing worth it comes easy. And since nandito naman na tayo, o registered na tayo, we're fully paid. Nag-fully paid ba kayo?
Oh, naman.
yes.
wow.
Mas may discount.
Sayang ang
Nag-prepare
sayang
talaga.
ang 9K. 9K yun.
7.
7 ba? 9?
7K. So ikaw ba, ano yung tingin mo makakapag-stick sa'yo sa program and yung motivation?
Yeah, syempre yung community. Ayan, kayo. Kapag ka kasi, atong napansin ko kasi sa sarili ko parang mas, mas nagpa-perform ako or mas nagiging disiplinado ako kapag
Surrounded ka.
surrounded ako ng mga tao na parehas ko din yung ginagawa.
Oo.
Parang sabi ko nga noon hindi ko alam kung kanino ko na-share to, parang mas motivated ako to do or to push yung sarili ko kapag nasa team ako. Like, for example, sa sports, mas napupush ko yung sarili ko na mag-training, kapag may mga kasama akong iba, for example, sa dragon boat or volleyball. Pero if I'm gonna do the training by myself, for example, magbabike ako or running, ang hirap i-push ng sarili mo. Unlike kapag meron kang kasama na, magme-message sa'yo na, oy, nag-workout ka na ba? Oy, ano na? Tara na. Alam mo yung
May konting pressure lang.
mahahatak ka Parang ikaw mahihiya ka na, grabe sila. Parang gano'n. Parang, ewan ko, kung it's something na cons sa ibang tao. Pero for me, it's something na nakakapag-boost ng ng confidence ko rin at the same time kasi may kasabay ka na gumagawa ng bagay na yun.
So, ang funny nitong nung program na to, kasi meron silang papadownload na app And then, yung kayo, kanyari, di ba, nasa team tayo. And then, nakikita natin yung progress ng isa't isa. Even though wala tayo, hindi tayo magkasama everyday, di ba? So, you can see the stats nung kung ano yung ginagawa mong program, ano yung ginagawa mong program. Alam mo, kung ginawa mo yung exercise today, so makikita ko yung mga stats nyo kung asan na kayo banda.
Yeah.
So, di ba, parang, ang galing lang nung setup na, yun yung na-amaze ako. Kaya, ang galing.
Pwede mo siyang, kung iisipin mo, parang pwede mong dayain, hindi mo nakikita, i-check mo na lang. Pero
Integrity.
magkakatalunan, magkakatalunan sa 100 day. Kung sino may abs dyan, di ba?
Di ba? Oo, totoo. Hindi mo pwedeng dayain kasi yung result niya after, 100 days, yun. Totoo.
Yeah.
Hindi mo, diba?
Grabe, kinakabahan talaga ako. Ako, honestly speaking, ang dami ko nang nagawang personal development, but this is a different to. In a way lang na health and fitness siya, and may personal development na kasama. So, yung mga nagsasabi na mahal, hindi naman usually ganyan yung rates, I'm personally curious if mahal ba talaga or sinasabi lang natin to kasi hindi pa natin naiintindihan or nakikita yung value. You only realize the value once you're in the journey and once you make it to the other side and you didn't quit. For me, those that quit, you will never actually realize ano talaga yung value ng program. So, ako kinakabahan ako and who knows, I might stay towards the end, I might quit, pero so far wala pa naman akong program na kinukwit. Like I'm doing a program right now, parang ewan ko, parang gusto ko na mag-quit minsan, but I'm still here. It's a hard leadership program, but I'm still here. So hopefully ma-apply ko siya sa fitness.
Oo. Kailan ba start nito?
Alam ko start si program sa 26th ng January. So doon ka na magsa-start ng diet mo, yung workout mo, ganun.
So 19 is orientation ba yan?
Yes, the orientation. Pero I think you can start early para hindi masyado mabigla yung katawan mo. No?
Oo, that's what I do actually. Like, nagpa-prep talaga ako na, alam mo, gusto ko na ma-feel na nasa program ako. Para, yun nga, like, hindi ka mabigla.
Hindi ka mabigla at hindi mabigla yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi minsan, when you're doing the diet, nire-restrict mo yung sarili mo sa mga foods na gusto mong kainin. And then, like ang pagod niyan for sure kasi nag-workout ka and all. Hindi mo maiiwasan na minsan, yung hormones mo mag-iiba ba? Magkakaroon ng imbalance yung emotions mo. Like, ang pagod. So, medyo, sa una, magiging grumpy ka niyan eh.
Oo, yung mga nagko-quit ng rice or nagda-drop sila nung carb intake nila, talagang moody ang ending yan eh. So,
Paggutom.
hindi. Well, talaga, pag gutom ka or parang irritable mo. So, paano ko alam? Because I actually did 4 days of juice diet. 4 days akong walang kinain na solid food.
Oh my God.
Juicing for 4 days, morning, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Parang gusto ko yun.
3 times a day. Pwede. Actually, you can even do 4 times a day, pero juice lang kasi yun. So, the minute na na-absorb mo yon yung liquid calories, maya-maya parang your body's like craving for food, like for real food.
Na-curious tuloy ako.
Na-survive ko yung 4 days, pero that time, yung 4th day, kasi dapat 5 days eh. Challenge ko lang sa sarili ko, after the 4th day, sabi ko, my body needs to eat.
Ako,
Kasi first time ko siya ginawa eh.
Oo.
Nakaka-curious ako dyan. Na-try nyo na parehas yun.
Hindi,
Just that.
ako water fasting.
Fasting. Pero you still eat in a day. In a 24-hour period.
Ay, hindi, water lang talaga for the whole day.
Same din yung na-feel
Yeah.
mo.
Ilang days yun?
7 days. Water.
Water for 7 days.
Oo. I'm not eating any
liquid diet din yun.
Solid food. Walang solid food.
Hindi mo nakakahilo yun?
Yes.
Puro water lang.
Curious ako. Tanong ako. Since puro liquid, no?
Oh.
Kamusta? Umiire pa ba kayo? May
Hindi
ire
ko
pa ba yun?
maalala. Siguro kung...
Ayokong alalahanin.
Hindi ko alam.
Ayoko nang alalahanin. Pero nagke-cleansing. Whatever your body
Toxin.
needs to do to detoxify.
Detox, oo.
And cleanse. Let it be.
Kasi di ba minsan pag ang dami mo nakain, parang, Pinupush mo pa eh. Pero feeling ko kapag
Girl,
liquid
kulang
diet,
ka sa fiber. Sa totoo lang.
liquid diet parang, done. Huminga ka lang.
Parang hindi ko nga maalala. That was like, parang 5 years ago ko na yun
7
tinry.
days?
But
Oh my
that was
God.
like si Mary, when she saw me, after nung nag 7 days water fasting ako, sabi niya, huy, ano nangyari sa mukha mo? Bakit talagang...
Stressed.
Hindi, yung ganun talaga.
Bagsak.
Bagsak na sobrang payat nung mukha ko. Sabi niya, ang ginawa mo.
Zombie.
Alam mo yun, so sabi ko, nag-water lang ako.
You're dead inside.
Zombagay.
Grabe.
Zombading.
Yung kita yung talaga yung gano'n mo eh. Oo.
Grabe, 7 days. Di ko ata kaya. At least yung juicing, may flavor pa eh. You can put pineapple, ginger, celery,
So that's
apples.
talaga mga fruits juice
And then,
mo.
so meron akong yung juicer ko na ine-extract niya lang yung liquid.
Ninja, ano yun? Ninja?
Um,
Oo, yung basta juicing. Ano.
Kasi I did that sa Philippines din dati. For 3 days lang. Yung 3 days naman na yun, 1 liter yung drink mo per meal. So, meal replacement siya.
Oo.
Kaya ako natanong yung kung umiire pa ba kayo. Kasi alala ko talaga nung time na hindi na ako umiire. Hindi na, minsan parang
solid food
parang
na
hindi na ako maabot sa CR. Alam mo yung ganun? Parang, done. Tapos yun na yun. Sobrang sarap sa feeling ng after. Pero yun nga.
cleansing.
Grabe.
Parang gaganon nga yung face. Pero 3 days ko lang ginawa yun.
Hindi siya sustainable. Ay, ako magigets ko yun na ginagawa mo lang siya just to detoxify or yun nga parang pinagpapahinga mo lang yung digestive system mo, 'di ba? Kasi we are trained to eat 3 to 4 times a day.
Yes.
Diba? Ang hirap kaya mag-fasting kapag sanay ka kumain ng 3 to 4 meals a day.
Totoo yun.
So ito ang tanong ko. Okay.
Ano?
What are you willing to give up or sacrifice to get the results that you want? Because this is where a lot of people trip over. Yung parang either gusto mo yung result, okay. Clear ka, you want the results. But there's a lot of things that you're not willing to give up.
So, anong question? Yung hindi ka
What
willing?
are you willing? What are you willing to give up to be successful in this program?
Ayun na nga. Nag-give up na nga ako eh.
Ngayon pa lang.
Yung money ko.
Alin na?
I gave up my money.
Ay, yeah.
Because we already paid for that.
totoo.
diba?
Okay, what else? You gave up your... Okay, yeah, you saved for it and then now, gone? Oh, ano pa?
I think I will give up yung time ko watching Netflix. Watching Netflix and Crunchyroll kasi may ako sa anime.
Yes, mahilig
Kasi
ka
I
eh, binge
spend
watch.
like, more than 10 hours a day, I think.
Are you kidding?
Yes.
So instead of like
I'm not
spending
kidding pala.
time for yan sa movies, dapat nag-exercise ka na lang, no?
Well, now she is
Now,
willing to
yeah.
give that up. Yung binge watching. Oh, ano pa?
Hindi na ako 10 hours.
Ano, 9
9
hours.
9.5 naman. Siyempre, less than 2 na lang yan. Or baka nga wala na at all. So,
Ano ba yung minimum exercise? I mean, minimum number of minutes or hours sa program per day?
I'm not sure. Pero ako kasi
Like 20 minutes? 30 minutes?
pag nag-workout
Hindi ko
ako,
nabasa
may minimum. Hindi ko sure eh. Kasi pag ako nag-workout na ako, yung standard kasi alam ko, di ba, coach, ganun. Si Coach Ging. Alam ko, ganun yun eh. May tatlo kang program. Like, for upper, for example. Then yung tatlong iba't ibang programs na yun, ABC na program na yun, may tatlong workouts yun, di ba?
Tatlong
Usually ganun
exercise,
eh.
oo.
And then tatlong set yun each. And then depende pa kung ilang reps.
Yeah, so 1 hour. Yung 30 minutes to 1 hour. That's what.
Yeah, or
what they
minsan
say.
kulang eh. Kulang 1
Bitin
hour.
sa akin
eh.
yung 1 hour ngayon sa akin bitin.
Minsan 2 to 3 hours ka na sa gym.
Mga ganun din ako minsan. Pero
Tapos
yun,
phone lang kayo, no?
pero yun
Yun lang.
nagpo-phone ka lang, phone.
Nag-chill. Kasi yung mga 3 hours workout, hindi yun tuloy-tuloy. As in, nagbe-bench press ka or nag-squat ka, may phone ka. Sa
Baka-
30 minutes ka na sa phone.
Baka yung resting time mo naman nasa 30 minutes kada
lalamig.
set.
Kasi 30 minutes.
Lalamig yung muscle mo.
Oo, di ba? Di ba? Pag may ganon, minsan di mo namamalayan, ano ka na pala, 20 minutes ka na pala nagre-rest.
Oo.
Bago mo ipasok yung next set. Ano yan?
Or ang tagal
Which
niya
is-
pala nag-IG.
Which is yun? Di ako yun.
Ang bad.
No joke.
Bad. Ay, bad yun. I think bad yun na habit. Kailangan talaga just keep going.
Concentrate.
Like ang rest time lang talaga is 3 to 5 minutes. Yun yung minimum. So, hindi, like, not more than kasi nawawala yung init nung katawan mo eh. Kaya ka nga nag-warm up eh.
Ay, nawawala yung init.
Hindi ka na nag-iinit. Kaya pala hindi na nag-workout. Kasi wala, hindi ka nag-warm up.
Oo.
Hindi ka na.
So, balik tayo dun sa what
Anyway.
you need to give up.
My love.
My love.
The joke. My
Your
love for the food. My love for carbs and sweets, sugar, ganun.
Nako, lakas kasi sa calories
Meat.
yan eh.
Ako din. Oh my
Lakas
God.
mo mag-gain yan.
Ako din. Mahilig ako sa chocolate these days. For the
Yeah, ka-relate. I can relate.
Chocolates. Actually, yung rice, kaya kong hindi talagang kumain ng walang rice.
Dito naman sa AU, hindi naman uso ang rice din sa mga Asian lang, di ba?
Yeah, but kung ikaw Filipino ka, di ba?
Rice is
It's a
Rice is a must
Oo.
in every household.
Di ba? So, kami like hindi tayo nagluto ng rice eh. Ang rice, last rice ata natin nung New Year. Di ba?
O hindi nag-rice ako nung nagkain kami sa Korea.
Ay, hindi kanina yung burrito. Naked
Ako lagi
burrito.
ako nag-rice. Rice PH.
Rice. Yun ulit, rice PH. Plug ka na naman ah.
Yeah. Okay, Ging, what are you willing to give up to get the results that you want?
I think siguro yung yun nga, after work ko, lagi akong nagnanap. Instead of like having a nap, yung nap ko hindi siya actually nap eh. Tulog talaga for
Yung nap
4
na
hours.
napasarap.
Oo, yung for 4 hours. So I think I'm willing to give up that downtime ko sa afternoon after work. Yun. So, ang gagawin ko is kailangan, instead of napping, mag-gym na lang ako to get the result nga na
But sometimes, di ba, kailangan mo rin yun. Kasi after work, parang wala ka ng energy.
Hindi, pero kasi pag nag-waste ka din ng time eh. Like, kunyari, pag uuwi ka, daming distraction. Na, yun nga, mapapaupo ka, you ended up scrolling sa phone. I think that's one of the, na I'm willing to give up, scrolling on social
Doom
media.
scrolling.
Alam mo yun?
Nagsiscroll siya sa phone, may nakatulog.
Minsan ganun nga ako eh. Di ba? Like, minsan yung phone ko nakabukas habang tutulog ako. Kasi,
Yeah.
ka na eh.
Okay, yeah. So, that's so understandable. We all do it. Hindi lang ikaw. So, doom scrolling. Okay, so basically, reduce yung screen time, social media.
screen
Okay, what
time.
else?
Yun nga, yung chocolates, ko. Mahilig kasi ako. I mean, gusto ko talaga ngayon yung chocolates.
So, i-donate na natin yung mga chocolate sa pantry.
Yeah,
I
alam mo.
accept donations.
Alam mo, nung Friday, oy, kasama ko sa program, hindi ka pwede.
Kasama ka sa program.
So,
I-donate ko rin sa iba. Kayo naman.
hoy, yung mga
Tutulungan ko
tiramisu na,
Yung mga tira-tira
dessert,
tiramisu.
yung dessert, dinala ko sa work nung Friday, talagang sabi ko, yun nga, I'm preparing myself to, yun nga, I'm getting rid of the distraction because there's
Yeah.
cake, chocolates. I brought the, yung chocolates mo? Yung malaking chocolate, tapos yung Ferrero.
Gillian.
Yung Ferrero.
Kaya pala.
Bakit? Nagre-react ka kasama ka sa program.
So, ayun, I'm willing
Itatago
to
pa ni
give
Cathy
up.
yun. Kainin niya next year, 2026.
Nahanap ko, nagkikrave ako. Uy, ako naghahanap ako ng job ads. Rice
Mga ganun.
PH.
Ikaw, madami ka bang willing to i-give up?
Madami. Sobrang dami.
Sino? Ay, ano?
Sino agad?
Ano?
Sino ba? Sino?
30.
Ako, okay, guilty ako sa doom scrolling and I know there's a reason for using social media. Kailangan ko lang talaga sigurong schedule so that I'm intentional. Kasi kinakain ka lang talaga ng ng nakikita mo online, 'di ba? Hindi mo alam talaga 1 hour ka na nag-scroll, you could have done your workout for the day. So, okay, get social media. Relate ako kay Pao, like food and time na I don't binge watch anymore. So, I would say watching content online, like yung mga short videos or yung mga reels na hindi naman aligned sa or wala namang purpose for what I'm doing now. Social events. Okay. So, pag nai-invite
yes,
tayo sa
true.
social events, for sure yan, either may kainan after
Inuman.
or drink up, like, inuman. Oh my God, beer and cocktails, ang taas sa calories niyan eh. So, hindi
forgot.
ka,
Alcohol.
yeah, if you, giving up alcohol and social events, kasi nandyan na yung papasok yung natitempt ka, you feel like you're missing out. Unless na lang sobrang galing mo sa discipline na hindi ka iinom kahit na kasama mo sila sa labas. So, I would also give up yung, I would say, I don't know kung kaya ko bang i-give up yung stress eating kasi ano ko talaga siya. It's one of my bad habits. I just do it. So, unless I figure out a way na how do I reduce yung level of stress ko para hindi ako natitrigger na mag-stress eat. I think I want to give up yung ugali ko minsan na ayokong nag-ask for help. Kasi this is a community program and this is a team effort. So minsan mapapansin nyo ako parang alam ko na yung ginagawa ko. I'll do it on my own kasi 12 months naman na akong nag-training. Alam ko na yan. Like, wag nyo akong pakailaman. Doon kayo. May ganun akong attitude minsan. And I think that's going to get in the way of me getting the results. Kapag nagsosolo na ako and I'm just doing my own thing, tapos pinapabayaan ko lang din kayo. Kasi kasama sa personal development yung how do we work together as a team, di ba? Kasi if one person doesn't make it or if one person doesn't get the result, everyone don't make it. May ganun akong natututunan ngayon sa leadership program ko. So, yeah. Pag nag-a-attitude ako, you have to really call me out na, huy, huwag kang ano dyan. Kasi kahit ako, I would say, I also have to give up minsan yung may pagka, yun nga, maybe I'm being bossy sometimes or masyado naman akong dominating na parang, gawin mo to, gawin mo to, gawin mo to. Yung righteous ako kasi tas ako hindi ko naman pala ginagawa. So, kailangan talaga cohesive and no matter what happens, we need to support each other. Kasi we are a team of 5. So, hindi nyo pa nami-meet yung 2 members namin. Soon, you will meet them.
I think we're
Or
a team of 6.
Naging
Team
6
of
na
6
ba? Oh,
tayo.
I thought it's a team of 5.
Oo nga pala kasi 3 sila yung nandun.
Yeah,
Well,
so we're a team of 6. Yung half ng group, mamimit nyo very soon.
So magpo-post kami ng mga namin. Journey, actually, gusto din namin kayong i-invite na, like, follow nyo yung journey namin dito sa program na to. Kasi,
True.
we're taking this seriously.
Serious?
Seriously, mahal ba naman ang binayad, di ba?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Ganyan ba naman yung presyo? Hindi
And
mo
to also, ayun nga, parang have an impact sa ibang tao sa fitness journey. Kasi a lot of people, like, madami din naman nagme-message sa amin na, alam mo yun, uy, ang ganda ng progress mo kahit hindi pa namin to ginagawa yung program na to. Kasi madami din naman kaming ginagawang ibang program hindi lang naman to, di ba? This is a new thing, pero ito nga is 100 days and 6 kami. And then madami ding challenges siguro dito, and then madaming ma-apply na yun nga, yung communication. Ang dami dating matututunan actually dito. So yes, that's why we're inviting you to join and follow our journey dito sa program na to.
And we also want to share our journey so that if people are interested to do the next season, o malay mo, ambassadors na tayo. Kasi sa program na to, meron din silang ambassador
True.
na tinatawag. So I think if they really like you, you get good results and you inspire other people to join the program and register. There's probably some good reward for that. I don't know all the details, pero for me, kahit naman, monetary things aside, mas gusto ko talaga na mag-gets ng mga tao ano yung nangyayari sa community na to. Because sometimes, maraming skeptical. And kung makakatulong tayo to educate them that this is actually what is going on and what we're doing inside the program. Marami
Yes.
pa sigurong tao na mai-enlighten na it's not as scary as it sounds. And yung tuition fee or yung enrollment fee, it's more than worth it if you get the results.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
And we're doing this to inspire nga yung people.
yeah, not to brag about
not
the
to
abs,
brag,
not
yeah.
to brag about, when you flex, tapos ang ganda ng
Na
arms
you have the
mo.
money to pay for the... Pero eto lang masasabi ko.
Kaya mo
So,
na mag-Calvin Klein.
May mga tao kasing hindi naniniwala na kaya mong gawin ng isang bagay. Di ba? So, papatunayan natin sa kanilang hindi. Gagawin natin to at makikita nyo ang resulta. Di ba?
Nag-declare ka.
Yes.
I declare war.
Make sure.
That's right.
Ayan, declare mo. So, yan,
Yes,
ipa-follow nyo na yung journey mo.
Follow nyo kami. Like and subscribe. Para makita nyo after 100 days.
Guys,
Pindot-pindot na lang sa apps. Charan! Yan.
Yeah, we are still thinking of a team name because it makes a difference. So kami, as you know, our podcast is called The 1% Marites. And it took us a while to decide on a podcast name. And we have not looked back since. Kasi ito talaga kami. This is who we are. And I think thinking of a name just helps create that identity. So, kung may mga ideas kayo, what should we name our team? As you know, we're in Sydney. There's 6 of us. We're very diverse. May mga male members tayo.
isa lang.
Yeah, may isa tayong male member.
Yeah, so there's five females and 1 male. So we want to be inclusive. And in Abby's words, one of our group members, sabi niya it has to be
Empowering.
empowering. Yung pag sinabi mo yung name na yun, talagang, sila to.
Impact!
Diba? With impact and power.
Impact us. Ganun.
Yeah, so help
sa may
us
pack.
think of a name, and kailangan bilisan nyo kasi the
Last day
pressure
na
is on. We have to decide kung ano ba talaga yung team name namin.
Binigay yung pressure sa mga audience.
Oo, kasi pressured na kami because we're doing this program.
Yeah.
Na kami, nag-overthink na kami. So,
Sabihin, sino ba kayo?
tulungan nyo kami.
Please.
Help us, please. Kasi nakaka-pressure na talaga.
Pressure is
excited.
real.
Yeah. Nagmi-mix-mix na yung emotions. May anxiety, pero at the same time, parang excited
Hype ka,
ka. And then
hype.
hype ka. Oh my God, ko na alam. Anything else that you want to share? You want to say before we end this episode?
I wanna thank Abby for introducing
Yes.
this program sa amin na kami as a group. So, yes, I trust her on this journey then. Alam mo yun na, 3 of us will get the result. 6 of us will get the result after 100 days. Diba? So, thank you, Abby. Tulong mo and for introducing the program to us.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Alam mo yun, pumayag kayo na as a team, gawin natin
Wala kaming
to.
choice.
Diba? Diba?
The joke lang.
Last year pa actually, decided na kami last year pa lang. Hindi
Para
lang
sa
namin
abs.
sinishare.
Para sa
Para
abs.
sa apps.
Oo. Kaya nagkakakain yan ng mga yan nung Christmas.
So, sinusulit na
Christmas,
namin
New Year, oo.
Sinusulit na.
Yeah.
So, yes.
Ako naman, gusto kong mag-have fun. Kasi yun yung yun yung isa sa mga things na gusto kong i-bring back sa life ko and the activities that I'm doing. Kasi sometimes pag masyado ang gigil sa goal, parang ano ba yan? Masyadong seryoso. Diba? Parang there's no room for error, there's no room for mistakes. So for me, if I can do the program na nag-e-enjoy ako and at the same time, lumalabas din yung leadership ko sa sarili ko and sa mga teammates ko. Kasi we can nominate a leader, but at the end of the day, we are all leaders of ourselves.
True.
Right? So,
And also, this is a challenge, no? So, we challenge ourselves.
challenge ba to?
Well, for me, kasi,
100 days
not challenge
100
na
days lang.
mapipressure ka, pero challenge na paano ka magiging consistent. Kasi that's a challenge for me. Kasi yun ang naging issue ko before. Na hindi ako naging consistent kasi that's the reason why I gained I gained back the weight na na-lose ko before. So, this is a challenge for me and for you guys as well.
Oo, syempre. Oo.
You know, maging consistent tayo. And we'll see how it goes, diba?
I-reveal na ba natin yung name ng program or should we wait until the official start?
Well, I think they can see it from like mga stories natin na I'm dropping some
let's
names.
just let
Okay.
them-
Hayaan na lang.
Alright, 2 versus 1. We won't say the program o yung name ng program, but I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
most of you baka may idea na kayo because we've been posting about it. So, you have an assignment to do. Help us come up with a team name. Hindi pa tayo nagkakamutan. And if we like your name, nako, baka manalo ka ng 500 pesos
Gcash. Wow, yes.
500 each.
500 each kung sino.
Each hair.
Hindi, so ilang pipili? Hindi, syempre isang lang pipiliin namin.
We'll pick one winner
Yeah,
if
one
we
winner.
really like your idea. So help us come up with a name, and we appreciate you for following us on our journey so far, and we're about to start another one. So it's another chapter here at the 1% Marites. So thank you, and we can't wait to see you on the other side after 100 days. And we will be documenting so that you don't miss out on what our progress so far.
Yes, and if you want to listen to more of our chikahan na maraming laman, please follow us, like us, subscribe to our page. We have YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and also we now have TikTok account. Diba? Ayan, we are
nag-level up.
the 1% Marites. Search nyo lang yan sa search bar. And you will find our page. Nandun naman yung mga mukha namin tatlo.
kami lang naman yung the 1% Marites.
Yes. Diba?
So thank you, and please follow and join us on our journey, and we will see you on the other side.
And again, we are the 1% Marites here in Sydney.
Your number one source of chismis, word spreading.